हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। लास्ट वीकेंड हम गए थे फुल टाइमर्स इन मोटर सिटी। आज हम जा रहे हैं मोटर फॉर एवर इन अलकूज। आई पर्सनली एम गोइंग फॉर अ ब्रांडेड गियर बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि बाइक से ज़्यादा ज़रूरी बाइक की सेफ्टी है और आपको अपना ख्याल पहले रखना है, फिर उसके बाद ऑब्वियसली बाइक का भी ख्याल रखना है। आई थिंक इट्स अनदर राउंड ऑफ मी गेटिंग एन इन्फॉर्मेशन। अच्छा, मैंने अपने लास्ट व्लॉग में जिक्र किया था कि मैं थाईलैंड जा रहा हूँ और अगर मुझे थाईलैंड से एसेसरीज चीपर पड़ेंगी तो मैं थाईलैंड से ले लूँगा। However, that is not the case. मुझे ऑलमोस्ट वही रेट पड़ रहा था जो मुझे यहाँ पे पड़ रहा है। थाईलैंड के अंदर मुझे चीपर ब्रांड्स मिल रहे थे, बट फॉर द ब्रांड्स दैट आई हैव सीन हेयर उनके लिए मुझे कोई रेट डिफरेंस नहीं पड़ रहा। इट्स द सेम रेट। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मोटर फॉर एवर। वहाँ पे भी हम देखते हैं कि रेट में कोई डिफरेंस है नहीं है, या अगर वेराइटी के अंदर कोई डिफरेंस है। ऑल्दो जो मैंने ऑनलाइन रिसर्च की, आई थिंक मोटर फॉर एवर जो है वो कंपेरेटिवली छोटी दुकान है as compared to old timers, because old timers was huge in terms of their collections. They had a lot. They also have some normal jeans. This is such a cozy area they've made. They got a guitar. I don't know if it's functioning or not. It's in terms of the variety, they got everything. So they have all the jackets, they have all the trousers, they have a huge variety of the helmets that you want. They have the riding shoes. If you want for dirt bike, you want for touring bike, you want the simpler ones, they have all of them. Glove section is over there, few bags, and then they have a section up there for some more shirts, and if you have a touring bike, so you have all your luggage containers and everything up there. So we're trying few helmets. These are the modular helmets. Tried large and it was moving a little bit. This one is still fitting well. I've opened the latch, so ये भी थोड़ा सा हिल रहा है. Let's get to pricing with them and then I'll update you shortly with my conversation. So these are all the gears at Moto Forever. I couldn't get enough time कि मैं अपनी earning वहीं पे record कर सकूँ, so मैंने कुछ financial बातें की, कुछ पैसे की discussions की. So just to give you an idea, the AGV helmets are comparatively cheaper when we talk about Schuberth or when we talk about Shoei. Those are German brands. This is also a very good Italian brand, but when it comes to the pricing, a modular helmet for AGV is costing around 2,000. Whereas the C5 from Schuberth is costing 3,500. So there's like a big difference between the prices of the two. If you go for a AGV non-modular helmet, the simpler one, you can also get it anywhere around 1,200 as well. So in terms of the helmet, they had Bell, which is an American brand. They also had Shark, that's another brand that they had. They did not have obviously Shoei or Schubert because that is with old timers. So they had a limited range for the gloves. They only had one brand जिसके सारे models उन्होंने रखे हुए थे for the gloves. For the shoe, again, they did not have Alpine and stuff because that is not the brand that they sell. That again, I think the distribution is with the old timers. Other than that, in terms of the pricing, yes, definitely old timer is way expensive. For Moto Forever, they have the brands which are cheaper in price if you compare it with the Schuberth or Shoei, or even in terms of the shoe and the riding gears like your jackets, your pants, or Alpine वगैरह सब कुछ यहाँ पे नहीं था. The brands that they have are available on a comparatively cheaper prices. So I mean, they are good brands. I'm not gonna say that these are not good brands. They are, but Alpine is, you know, it's known for MotoGP. Daytona, all of these brands are League A, and then obviously there is a League 2. So Moto Forever had more of League 2 brands as compared to old timers. I was Moto Forever in terms of the price comparison pretty cheap as compared to old timers. If you are looking forward to just start your biking journey, and if you don't want to spend too much on the gears and you want to get a new gear, not a used one, definitely Moto Forever is the space for you to go. Do check their shop out. They have a lot of variety. I'm not gonna say they don't have a lot of variety. As compared to old timer, less because they have less number of brands, but in terms of the variety within those brands, they have a lot. So do check them out. Stay tuned. Inshallah, मिलते हैं अगले ब्लॉग में. Take care. Allah Hafiz.